Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya with Baddies in the Bag. Today's positive quote is, whoa, look at that. You're doing great. You're doing a great job. I think a lot of us needs to hear this, especially in these times. Sometimes we might be doing, working hard and putting our all in and not getting the results that we really want to get, or we feel like we're not doing enough. So I'm so glad that this is today's positive quote, because it doesn't matter where you are in life or if you haven't achieved your goals as yet. You are doing a great job for sure, and the fact that you are actually trying, girl, kudos to you. Okay, so don't feel down about not being exactly where you want to be. At least you are trying. Okay, great job. I am extremely proud of you and extremely proud of the effort you put in. Today we're stuffing $715 between high priority and sinking funds. Like I've mentioned, I'm trying to get 2 major goals out the way before the year ends, so we are seriously going to be focusing especially on high priority. So let's go ahead and start the stuffing. We're going to start off by counting the cash and organizing the cash. You know how we do. So let me get my little divider and let's get started. The easiest way for me not to count the cash. I'm so enjoying this way. It is by far my favorite way to do this. It helps me from all this dang confusion. So I love this way. So let's get started. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that's 300 in 20s. Next tens, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have 250. That's 550. And next we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So we have 175, well 165, my bad, which makes it $715. So let's put our calculator away. We don't need it right now, and let's get into the stuffing. So we're going to start with our high priority binder. So here goes high priority, y'all. So we're heading into our high priority binder. And we are going to, by the way, the dashboards are available on my website. The link is in the description if you guys like what you see here. So in emergency, today we are adding $80 to emergency. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80. So let's add our $80 to emergency. So now for emergency, we currently have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. We have $140 in emergency right now. And I have to go ahead and mark that off my emergency tracker, which is in the Real Baddie Save Up book, if y'all remember. The book is also available on the website. Link is in the description. So we just added $80, so we're going to go ahead and mark off 4 of these suitcases. So let me get my marker. So here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So each of these suitcases are $20, and we just added $80, so we went ahead and marked off 4. Okay, so that's it for the emergency fund. Okay, moving right along, we have supplies. And for wait, my bad. We have credit cards. I'm sorry. For credit cards today, we're adding $50 to credit cards, which it has nothing in there right at this current moment. So we're gonna go ahead and add our $50 to credit card. Next up, we have taxes. We're adding $40 for taxes. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Right now, let's put that together and see how much we have in taxes so far. For taxes, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. Moving right along, we have our saving challenges, and today we are adding $100 to this saving challenge, which is the saving challenge bundle available on the store. The link is in the description if you guys are interested. Oh, I like this one, so let's start on this one. I wonder if I should put them like in here. Yeah, I could put them in here. Okay, there we go. All right, where is it? Oh, here it is. It's so clear. Okay, let me grab my marker again. My bad. Okay, so this is my first time actually using my editable saving challenges, so I'm really excited. I think this one, I'm going to make this one tens. So as y'all can see on this here, right here, you will put what you want each icon to be, and then here you put the total amount that you are going to save on this whole thing. We have 5 going across and 9 going down, which means that if I'm going to add $10 each, 5 multiplied by 9 is 45, and multiply that by 10, we're going to get $450 off of this sheet. So let's go ahead and add. Each icon is $10 and the total is $450. So that's kind of how you do it if you purchase these. You just put what you want each icon to be, and then you put the total that you're gonna end up saving at the end. So we have $100, so we're going to do 10 tens, 100. So we're going to shade in 10 of these icons. So let's go ahead and shade 10 of these in. You can use colored markers if you prefer. Me, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my black marker. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there you go. My $10 are marked off there, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my $100. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So let's just confirm that. We have 20, 40, 60, no, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So for the first saving challenge sheet, we're putting down $100, which is pretty great, isn't it? So $100 is down for saving. Next, we are moving forward. We have sanitary stuff, and for sanitary stuff, we're adding $10 today. So let's add our $10 to sanitary stuff. Next, we're heading into supplies, and for supplies, we're adding $60. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And supplies is completely empty at this moment. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 to add to supplies. Moving forward, we have citizenship, which for citizenship, we are adding $95 to citizenship. So let's go ahead and add our $95. We have 40, 60, 70, 80, 95. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95. Citizenship is one of the main goals that I'm trying to achieve before the year ends. I'm sorry, not month. So for citizenship, I'm really going to be pushing extremely hard for this. Moving out, we are adding $30 today to moving out. So let's add $30. We have a 20 and we are adding a 10. And when we add $20 to moving out, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So we have $80 in to moving out. Okay, that completes the stuffing for high priority. And we're moving right along. We have $30 to add to my daughter's savings. So let's go ahead and get her $30. So these saving challenge bundles for kids are available on my website if you guys are interested. The link is in the description. We're gonna go ahead. So if you look closely at this, in the bottom here it says each equal $5. So each of these items are $5 and we have $30. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And I feel like for my daughter, I want to use colored markers. So let me go ahead and get my colored markers and I'll be right back. So I do have these two cute colors. Are they cute for like girls? They're very cute for girls. So we are going to be using these two to go ahead and shade in. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and then the next color 25, and then we're gonna do the cloud to be 30. So we shaded $30 on my daughter's saving challenge. Now we're going to add her $30 to our envelope. Let's do 10, 20, 30. And that's it for my daughter's binder. And then now we are moving on to sinking funds, which is going to be getting the remainder of what we have left. For sinking funds, we are going to start the no spend challenge next month. So I'm not going to start it yet because it's already the 12th of the month. So I'll just wait until the other month to start the no spend challenge. But these are available on the website if you guys are interested. For sinking funds, we have Christmas. We're adding $20 to Christmas. So we're taking $20, and by adding $20 to Christmas, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So now we have $180 in Christmas. Next, we have birthdays. For birthdays, we're adding $30, 10, 20, 30. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 for birthdays. For my daughter, we are adding $20 for her stuff. That's the last 20 we had. So we have 20, 30, 40. So we have $40 for my daughter. Then we have coffee in one hand, confidence in the other. Black Friday, we're adding $20 to Black Friday. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20. So now for Black Friday, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 35. So we have $135 for Black Friday. Next, we have car maintenance. For car maintenance, we're adding $10. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. Next, moving right along, for my birthday, we are adding $20 to my birthday, which is empty right now. So let's do 2 10s. For tolls, we're adding $5 to tolls. Adding $5, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. $40 in tolls. For my brother, we're adding $30. His birthday's coming up, so that's why he's getting $30 today. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. So I currently have 55 for him. His birthday is coming up. Oh no, it's like in 2 days. Oh my god. So I might have to add probably another $45 to this before his birthday so I can send it to him. Mommy, my mother, we're adding $15 to her envelope. So we have, let's do the 10 and a 5. So she had 10, 15, 20, 25. Date night look like it's not getting anything today. That's crazy. Hello. Why? For date night, we're gonna go ahead and add $10 to date night. For vacation, we're adding $20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, yes, vacation. So we have $20 to add to vacation, makes it 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have $30 in vacation. And then we have self-care. We're adding $20 to self-care, which was completely empty. And that basically completes the stuffing for sinking funds today. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm feeling pretty much excited and ready to, you know, take on the next chapter of cash stuffing and financially managing my money properly and getting, you know, on my way to financial freedom. So I wish you guys a happy stuffing. I hope that you guys are doing well in your progress, and I wish you guys all the best, and I will see you in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count the